Today I'm going to show you how you can quickly and easily create an embroidery with the PFAF Creative 4.5. With the MySunit program, I upload a design using the digitizing tool. This is super easy and comfy. The file can be cropped as desired. The embroidery hoop can be changed also. The next part is really clever because the program will choose all the colors and sections you have to embroider. Of course, you have to correct some areas and maybe add some more details. I use the included stick to transfer the file to the machine, which has already saved hundreds of embroideries. And here it comes. It starts with sorry. I used the 120 square hoop and reinforced my fabric with embroidery flies. Now I select the embroidery stitch out mode and start everything with the play button. Of course, I speed up the video here. You want to see the original working speed? Another super slow mode. The machine stops every time you need to change the color and tells you which thread you have to use. This is super easy and simple. With a satin stitch contour, the embroidery looks really high quality, and it will help you to get some small details to your embroidery too. 15,703 stitches later, it's finally done, and look at this result.